So hello everyone. Yeah, I just bought DC power supply. I found it quite cheap, like 800 Taiwan dollar, or maybe around 20 or 30 US dollar. I forget, maybe around that. So yeah, I mean, if you buy this one new, it will be cost me around maybe almost like more than 10 times from the price that I paid for. So I think I got a little bit lucky, but after I test it, there is a little bit problem that I need to solve first. Maybe I can check it and show you what's the problem. Okay, so I put the cable to the power line and we can turn on the power supply. So I will explain a little bit about this power supply. So it have 4 output with 2 main output, channel 1 and channel 2. So it can be set from 0 until 30 like this one, and then you can set the current, and you can turn on and turn off the output by this button. And it have auxiliary output, channel 3 and channel 4, which you can see the voltage by switch the toggle in here for this one too. And it have a minimum input, minimum output 8 volt, and the maximum is 15 for this one. And this one is minimum is 2.2 and the maximum is about 5 volt. Okay, go to the problem. So as you can see, if we switch to channel 2, the voltage for the set point for the voltage it is not correct. For this one, I think for this one, let's set again. Yeah, so for channel 1 there is no problem, but for channel 2 you can see that in here, even though the voltage is on the minimum, the most minimum level, but in here the reading is around 60 volt, so it's not correct. And then we can check the current setting too. So yeah, this problem only happen when the output is turned off. When we turn on, it can be like a normal same channel. So yeah, it's only happen when the output is turned off. Yeah, so and then it can be parallel and series configuration too on this button. So yeah, it's very I think it's very good, quite nice, but I need to solve that problem. So let's open it. This is the inside of the power supply. So this is not switching power supply, but this is a linear power supply. So yeah, I will expect that the output noise is very low, but the drawback is, yeah, it's very heavy because it have a very big toroidal transformer in here. So I think this is the main power board, and then all of the control is on this side. We can see from here, I think. Yeah, and yeah, I will open all of this and check it if there is maybe some component that need to be replaced, like capacitor bulging, or I read on the forum that usually the problem is on the relay that broken. So the contact is not good enough and make some resistance, and then maybe some diode that become short circuit. So I need to check that and open this. So after disassembly everything and try to figuring out which one failing, I found that one of the relay that's switch for the voltage reference when in parallel, series, or independent mode is failing. So one of the pin that should be normally closed is open contact, so open circuit. So yeah, this is the relay is failing. And then I think I will replace all of the relay to avoid future problem. And then this one the same. And then reassembly everything and test it. Maybe try to adjust or to see if have a large error or not. And then that's all. Yeah. I decide just replace 4 of the relay with new one. So this is old one, and then I already throw the other. So yeah, after I replace it and try to recalibrate everything, right now is working correctly and then accurate enough, I think. So I just need to reassemble everything and it's finished. After reassemble everything, so this is the complete version of the power supply. As you can see in here, I already calibrate everything, the voltage, the current. So and then you can turn on the output or turn off. So this power supply capable to combine two main channel. In here you can combine channel 1 and channel 2 into series or parallel mode. So in series you can in series to use it, you need to put your negative in channel 2 and then positive on channel 1, and then you will get the voltage channel 1 plus channel 2. And in parallel you can double the current, but you can only use one of the channel output, and then the maximum current will be around 6 amp in the parallel, and maximum voltage will be around 60 volt in series mode. So in here you can change the display to see the another auxiliary channel voltage. For channel 4 it's only from 8 volt up to 15, while in channel 3 is from 2 volt, I think, until 5.2 or 5.3. Yeah, this power supply is very handy. It have 4 output, 2 main output, and then I will use it as my main power supply, replace my switching power supply that only have 1 output. And I already test it with maximum power using electronic load, and it worked flawlessly. And I think this is very a steal for that price, and then only have a little problem that can be fixed. So yeah, this is the video of this power supply. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.